Guys, in this video, we will be learning NumPy array slicing in Python. I am using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on my machine. So let's get started with the video. What is slicing? Slicing in Python means taking element from one given index to another given index. Okay, we pass slice instead of index. This is the notation of slicing, right? And we can also define slicing and step to repeat. Okay, so these are two standard. If we do not pass start, it's considered zero. Okay, that is first rule. Second, if we do not pass and, it's considered length of array. Okay, in that dimension. Rule number three, if we do not pass step, it considered one. Okay, all rules are clear. Okay, let's start with the video. In order to use NumPy, we have to install this package on the machine. If you want to check whether NumPy is installed on the machine, you have to open your terminal. Okay, you have to type in one command, that is piplist. Okay, just to check whether NumPy is installed on the machine or not. So we have already installed. If you do not have installed NumPy library, you have to type in one command pip install NumPy. Okay, then you will be able to import NumPy in your Python code. Now I am going to import NumPy. I'm taking alias np. Okay, so we'll see array slicing. We'll be defining first array. This is our simple array. If you want to see what type of object this np.array is returning, we can easily check it and we can then print it. Run the program. So this is our array and this is a type of NP array we are getting. Right. Now let's come to the part of slicing. How slicing works. If we want to locate a specific index, then we can use array 1 and then we can use maybe 2 colon 2 means that is start with 2 and go to fourth, right? This is our AND index. Okay, let's print it. Right, you see 0 1 2 3 4, it means it will stop here. Okay, it will stop here and then it will print us 4, right? If we take 5, it will take 5 also, right? That is first thing. Okay, if you want to say I want to start with a specific and I want to reach to the end, then what will be the outcome? Then I am saying I want to start from 3 and I do not want to specify any end index. Okay, then it will take the length of the array, right? If you print it, so it will go to the sixth position, right? From third. 0 1 2 3, it will take 4 5 and 6, all it will take. If you change it to 2, it will take 3 also. Okay, if you want to do the opposite of this, I do not want to start anything but I want to stop it at third index, right? So it will start from 0. Okay, 0 0 1 2 3, it will stop here and it will print 1 2 3, all 3, right? Guys, now let's see negative slicing. Negative index always work from the end. Okay, so we can do like I want to start with, let's say, -4 1 -1 2 3 4. I want to start with -4 and I want to go to -2. Okay, so this would be the range. So it will print according, okay, 3 and 4. Is it clear? If I want to make 3, so it will take 4 only, right? So you see it will take 4 only. So this is negative slicing, right? It always start from and. Okay, always remember. Now let's see what is step. Step value to determine the step of slicing, right? If you want to take more elements, right? So you will understand better. I want to take this slicing. Let's say I want to start from 1 and to stop at 8 and I want to get every second item in this range. Okay, so what you will get, So you will get 2, 4, 6, 8. It started from 1, 0, 1. It started from 2. It took 2. Then it took 4 because we said every second element, right? So it start here. Then second element would be 4. Then it would be 6. And it reaches to 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it took 8, right? So 4 element we got. If we take step 3, so it will take each 3 element, right? 2, then 5, and then so this is how step work. Now let's see 2D array slicing. If we want to take 2D array, let me take second array. Okay, let me print it. Array 2D will return type. So here we have two dimensional array ready. Okay, it's two-dimensional array. Okay, and we want to slice this 2D array. So how it will work? So I'm saying I want to start this 2D array from, let's say, 1, and then I want to take slicing now, let's say 1, 2, 3. Okay, it will 7, 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will take 7 and 8 only, right? You see, and it go to first row. This is the row at 0, and this is row at first. Okay, so how it is working? If you want to put 0 here, so it will take 0, 1, it will take 2 and 3. Okay, so in the program, so it will take 2 and 3, right? So this is how slicing works with two-dimensional array.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.